A judge has thrown out the third-degree murder conviction of Mohammad Noor. He's the ex-Minneapolis police officer serving a 12-and-a-half-year sentence for the death of Justine Ruszczyk. Now, she called 911 to report a possible rape behind her home. When the cruiser arrived, she approached the car's window. Then Officer Noor shot and killed her, saying he was alarmed, initially scared by seeing her, and so he reacted. Joining us to talk more about it, BNC's chief legal correspondent, Laura McNeal. Good morning, Laura. Let's start with the court's reasoning for vacating Mohammad Noor's third-degree murder charge. What did the ruling say?
Well, essentially, when the Minnesota Supreme Court looked at the third-degree murder charge requirements, it requires that the defendant, which in this case is Noor, Officer Noor, he has to show a generalized indifference to human life. And that wasn't the facts here. That were not the facts. What we saw is he wasn't just recklessly showing indifference to human life. He was specifically targeting that woman that unfortunately he thought was posing a danger to his colleague. And so it just didn't apply, and so the judge decided to vacate that decision.
Noor was convicted of second-degree manslaughter. What happens with that?
Yeah, so thankfully for the families of that victim that we see here on the screen, that charge still stands, so that has not been vacated. And based on the Minnesota sentencing guidelines, they're now going to sentence him based on up to 10 years in jail as opposed to the 12 and a half for that third-degree murder charge.
So the decision, Laura, was made by Minnesota Supreme Court. Ex-Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin, also convicted of third-degree murder and other charges for, of course, George Floyd's death. So does this ruling open the door for Chauvin to appeal his conviction?
It does. And, you know, you can imagine when people saw the headlines come out, they immediately called me and said, oh, no, is Derek Chauvin possibly going to be able to appeal and drop that third-degree murder charge? And the answer is yes. He has a very strong case, obviously, to have that third-degree murder charge vacated as well, because it was made based on that Noor decision, meaning that appeals court in the Noor decision. So we can definitely expect a possible appeal, and if he does, very high chance of success.
Remind us of his sentence, Chauvin sentence, because if the appeal is successful, might it be shortened?
Yeah, so it will not be shortened, and the reason why is because he was found guilty, as we recall, on all charges, which includes that higher charge of second-degree murder. And the way that the sentencing guidelines work in the state of Minnesota is they charge you based on the highest level crime you're found convicted of. So that second-degree murder charge in which he was convicted and his prison time was determined, it's going to stay in place. And so even if, worst-case scenario, Chauvin's attorney appeals that third-degree murder charge, it will in no way, shape, or form impact the amount of prison time he's already been sentenced to, so he's not getting out of jail anytime soon.
All right, so he's still, though, Laura, facing, charges, he and the other officers involved, that they violated George Floyd's civil rights. They were in court this week. They pled not guilty. What's next for that case?
Yeah, so that it will essentially move forward through our legal system, so we can expect the trial sometime this spring. But what's really interesting, Sharon, is to see whether or not the court grants the motions of those three officers to actually have a separate trial from Derek Chauvin. Their concern is it'll be too prejudicial to be tried with him, obviously considering the very strong showing of convictions on all counts for the murder of George Floyd.
All right, we'll be watching and we'll check back with you. Thank you so much, BNC Chief Legal Correspondent Laura McNeal.